How's Richard today?
Spaced out.
A bit spaced out.
Probably looking forward to the weekend.
And we have to be boarding now actually.
Hot chocolate, yeah.
It's almost ready.
6 feet, so your success.
It's there but not quite.
Baba love.
Alright, just a little bit of a
Assistance.
What's his name?
Richard.
How's Richard today?
Wow.
Says he's
Spaced out.
a bit spaced out.
Probably looking forward to the weekend.
Yeah, I think he's been working all the time. I don't know if he gets a break. Oh, Richard turned around.
Richard, come back.
Come back, Richard. Wait, are we for? Oh, okay. I keep forgetting it's 14 or 15. No, I'll just follow you.
Oh.
It's quite a nice walk anyway. Very peaceful.
14. Oh, 14, no.
There's no, it's only until 36. I saw the number of gates.
Next terminal then.
No, there's none nga. It's only until 36. It's not 40. Well, don't know if there's gonna be any knickknacks inside there. Looks like that's it. Luckily, Eddie's with a Filipina who has a baon. I have durian candy. I have sampalok, which is tamarind in Tagalog. What else do I have? Have other baon or snacks with me. Oh, here we are.
So that's 26.
Yep. Yeah, it's just chilled out. Okay, every time I'm gonna record Richard, he likes to turn around. He keeps mopping the same place, or I don't think he's doing a great job. He's done probably the same loop maybe 100 times. Yeah, Richard, you need to go to the... he's just within the same area again.
Richard police.
No, I don't know. I think the programming of Richard needs to be reconsidered. Eddie is craving for a hot choco. So we're here at Ames Cafe. And we have to be boarding now actually. Oh, do you have a hot choco there? Oh, there you go, hot chocolate. I'm craving for something salty.
Place. Hot chocolate, yeah. Thanks.
Ooh, that looks good. So now we know that this booth is also the same owner as that booth because our nice barista got milk from across. We're actually running a little bit late. Our flight is boarding now, so there it is. Almost ready. There's Eddie's hot milk. You got the small, not the large. I know there's a larger size. Oh no, iced, yeah. There's only one size. Okay. Okay, you want me to hold it? Para you can hold it. Okay. Let's go. Hey, there's another Richard. Richard Jr. What's his name?
Stefan.
Stefan. Okay, we're gonna run and we'll see you at the boarding gate. Oh my god, last few moments here in Thailand. We're gonna be back in Manila soon. I'm gonna miss Thailand, but I think it's time to see Poopy, my Pomeranian. Scotty is his name. Are you excited to see Scotty?
Of course.
Scotty doesn't warm up to people right away, but Eddie is very calm, so it was easy for him to be friends with Scotty. Right, so that's us, one of the last people boarding. Back to motherland. What? Motherland. Oh, I feel like my motherland is all over the world. Just depends where I feel at home. Usually with Eddie. Yeah. Eddie makes the journey. Ooh, he doesn't like that word journey. Oh, maybe I should go to the other side. Might be faster. Oh, well, here we are. Yeah.
I'll sit next to you.
Yeah. I can't remember my seat number.
6B, so you're 6A.
6A. Alright. The first one. Oh, I look like my ID. I still look like it. Haven't gained that much weight. Thank you. Even if all I've been doing was eating and I lack exercise. Alright, what is my seat number? 6A. Okay, let's go. Alrighty. Goodbye, Thailand. It's been great getting to know you. For the first time, it's my first time to travel in Thailand. Eddie's been here like maybe 3 times already. Yeah. Oop, traffic. Alright. Almost there, but not quite. It's a full house. It's a very full plane. I wonder how big our plane is gonna be. That's certainly boarding a lot of passengers. Ano? Oh yeah. Oh, here we are. I always see the sign Wi-Fi available, but it's never Wi-Fi. Oh, well. It says
free on street.
yeah. I'll go first, okay. What a gentleman! Lover. My lover's such a gentleman. Up. We already know our number 6A. This it is definitely a full house.
Baba love you. Love you. Okay.
6A. Here we are. 6A, right? Here we are. Yep. Hi.
6.
A and B.
6.
Yes. Yes. Oops. Alrighty. Alright, just a little bit of a pause. Oops. Alright, thank you. Here we are. So, one thing I have to comment on, if you are a tall person, my dad is 6 feet tall, I would suggest or recommend for you to get the front row, literally. The front row has the most legroom. Either that or possibly the fire exit. So let's check what airline we're flying. Oh, what airline? What kind of plane we're on? We have A320-200. I think this is the same aircraft we flew with going here, no? Going to Singapore. Yeah, Airbus A320-200.
Stretch out, remember?
Where there?
Well, no, that was not to...
No, that was from Manila to Singapore. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was... There was like a red alert, no? There was, oh my god, the lighting was crazy. It was like a disco outside the window. But, yeah. It's a big plane. In fact, I think the plane was much bigger. This plane is much smaller than that plane. Very interesting to hear Tagalog speakers now, so I know we're really going to the right country. No more Singaporean, Malaysian, and Thai. Let's see what it looks like outside. Well, at least we've boarded the plane on time. Now we just have to wait to take off and see if we'll be. Can I see the time now? Oh, it's not working. Okay, so it's a little bit past 9 in the evening. I think our plane is meant to take off at 9:15, right? Quarter past 9. I'm learning how to say it the Eddie way, the British way. In the Philippines, I say 9:15, but Eddie says quarter past 9.
Good evening, dear guests. From the flight, this is Captain speaking.
Yes,
Go ahead
hi.
with us. Together with me, our first officer, Ruben Fernando, and then the cabin led
Bagay with my Crocs.
Oh, that's
together with Cabin
Oh, I'm so
Maria,
excited for you to start taking photos
John,
with your
and Cabin
camera. That's a really nice photo. I like that.
and we'd like to
I
welcome
have to
aboard
get
the
a
flight 32288 bound for Manila. Utilizing Manila, with a current down temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. For your safety, just keep your seatbelt fastened at all times whenever seated. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call for cabin crew. Our scheduled departure time is 20 minutes past the hour of 9 of this evening, and currently we are in the final preparations. In a few minutes we'll be closing our doors in our part of runway 21 right. For the meantime, just make yourself comfortable and give you updates as soon as our flight
Okay,
suggests.
so far I think we're taking off a little bit.
Who's the one who needs assistance when you get
Should I see me also? No, to line up for
you need
we're at the leave at quarter past 9 or 9:15, and pilot says we're leaving 9:30 or half 9. So that's okay. In Philippine time, that's still on time.
we'll get you back. We'll get you at the front, okay? So if you need any assistance, this up. There's yours right there.
Well, that's us moving. Goodbye, Thailand, officially. Right now, they're giving us some safety procedures.
Put a head band tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting
You
others.
are looking forward to a flight that allows you to recline the seat. This is not one of them. You cannot really recline your seat. So,
Put the vest over your head. Take the tape around the waist. Push and to buckle and pull the tape tighten. When outside
sorry, I stand corrected. You can actually recline your seat.
At the lower end, plate life
You
vest.
can recline your seat.
If the life vest fails to
I didn't
inflate,
realize
pull
yet.
to the orange head.
We'll see how far that can recline later on.
Release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the
Later on, I'm going to record what it looks like taking off, so that's going to be boring for you. Just skip through that. But I like seeing what it's like
Please note where the
ascending.
emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now.
Last check. But that's us moving now.